You can explore more of your favourite CBeebies shows on BBC iPlayer.
And without further ado, let's hear it for the fabulous Gooseberry!
Would you like to know all about Gooseberry Club? And would you like to know how to join? In which case, here are the 5 golden gooseberry rules you have to follow. Beats, are you ready?
A 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
Rule number 1. We like to have fun, but don't forget to tidy up. Rule number 2. If you meet a kangaroo, never try and lift them up. Rule number 3. Draw a bumblebee sitting on some purple rocks. Rule number 4. This is one you can't ignore. Be nice and kind and share your blocks. Rule number 5. Let us know when you arrive by making a ridiculous sound. And that's all the rules! Did you think that they were cool? Good, because now you're in the Gooseberry Club! Oh, thank you!
Amazing! Give it up for Gooseberry!
Bravo! Bravo! 3 cheers for Gooseberry!
You can explore more of your favourite CBeebies shows on BBC iPlayer.